Hi everyone, my name is Jeannette. I am the creator of Sweaty Sweet Potato, and today I will be showing you all what a day in my life looks like on this gorgeous California weekend day, and then I will come home and make some lunch and share my favorite recipe with you all. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy watching, and I am so excited to take you through my day. The weather is perfect, so we are gonna go take a little walk to the store to grab some stuff for lunch. Got the goods for lunch. Now we're walking back home. I am so excited to make lunch. I've been looking forward to this recipe all day. We are making my creamy avocado pesto and chicken pasta. It all comes together in the blender super quick, and the key ingredient is California avocados. They came from California and I live in California. They did not have to travel very far. I am definitely gonna be making this recipe all spring long because California avocados are in season in the spring. I will turn on the water first to get the pasta boiling, slice up other ingredients, and throw the pesto ingredients in the blender. So the water is boiling, it looks like. I will add in my pasta now. We want to make sure that we reserve about a cup of the pasta water once it's done cooking because we will be using that in the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the avocado for the pesto sauce. And what I love about California avocados is that you can use them in so many different things that you might not even think of besides just avocado toast. I like to add them into things like this pesto sauce to make it creamy. I also like to slice them up and put them in the freezer for smoothies because it actually makes them so delicious and then also adds all the benefits that avocados have. So this is a great way to cut them if you do want to cut them into chunks because you just peel the skin right off and then you can chunk it up and throw it in a baggie and put it in the freezer. So now we have all of the avocado. One whole one is gonna go into the pesto sauce. I will grab the blender and toss that in first, along with all the other ingredients. It makes it so creamy and have the best smooth texture when it's all blended together. Also, we need the juice of half a lemon. A little bit of olive oil, and then a 1/4 cup of cashews. I soak mine for about 4 or 5 hours, and it makes them softer and easier to blend in. And this is just some salt and pepper, a handful of spinach, sneak in a little bit of veggies, and then this is about a 1/2 cup of hacked basil. That gives it the pesto flavor. A little bit of nut milk, whatever one you prefer. That also just lends to the creaminess. And then a little bit of nutritional yeast. This gives it a little bit of a cheesy flavor. I'm not using Parmesan today. This is a dairy-free recipe. And then we need some garlic. So I will just mince that straight in. The last thing we need is our pasta water. So I'm gonna add in about a 1/4 cup, and this just also lends to the thicker texture of the sauce. If it gets caught blending, we'll just add in more as we go. I'm gonna blend it up. So I actually didn't need to add any more pasta water. It's super creamy, and this is the consistency we want. Okay, time to give this a try. I am so excited. I've been looking forward to it all day. That is so delicious. The avocados make the sauce so silky, and I just love how vibrant the colors are. So I'm going to go finish this off and then finish off a few more things from my day, but I hope you enjoyed watching, and you can find the recipe over at food52.com.